Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In my last video, I shared the basics, a quick introduction to SketchUp and how to get started. If you haven't seen that yet, you'll find the link in the description below, or you can check it out on my channel, The Novice Builder. Now here in part 1, I'll show you the most essential key commands and shortcuts to help you work faster and make your modeling easier in SketchUp. Section 1, Navigation Shortcuts. Let's start with basic navigation, the shortcuts that help you move around your model efficiently. Orbit rotates the camera around your model so you can view it from different angles. Pan moves the view up, down, left, or right without rotating the camera. Zoom zooms in or out of the model for a closer or wider view. Zoom extents fits the entire model into the view window instantly. Tip: use your mouse for faster orbiting, pan, and zoom to easily navigate your workspace. To orbit around your model, push down the mouse scroll wheel or press the O key. To pan the view, hold the Shift key and push the mouse scroll wheel, then move your mouse side to side. To zoom in or out, scroll the mouse wheel forward or backward. To quickly see your entire model, press Shift plus Z to activate zoom extents. Section 2, Drawing Tools, Shortcuts. Next, let's explore the essential drawing shortcuts, the tools you'll use to create shapes and geometry in your workspace. Tool 1, Line Tool. Press L for the Line Tool. This tool draws straight lines between points, perfect for creating edges and basic shapes. Tool 2, Rectangle Tool. Press R for the Rectangle tool. Click two opposite corners to create a rectangle quickly and precisely. Tool 3, Circle Tool. Press C for the Circle tool. Click to set the center point, then drag to define the radius. Great for drawing circular shapes. Tool 4, Arc Tool. Press A for the Arc tool. Use it to draw smooth curved edges or arcs between 2 points. Tool 5, Push-Pull Tool. Press P for the Push-Pull tool. This powerful tool extrudes flat surfaces into 3D shapes, or cuts into them for detailing. Tool 6, Move Tool. Press M for the Move tool. Use it to move, copy, or stretch selected objects anywhere in your model. Tool 7, Eraser Tool. Finally, press E for the Eraser tool. Quickly remove unwanted edges or lines from your model. You can draw a rectangle, then press P for the Push-Pull tool to instantly turn it into a 3D object. After creating your 3D shape, always click Make Group to keep it separate and avoid messing up your work. To do this, right-click on the object, then select Make Group from the menu. Section 3, Editing and Viewing Appearance. Here are some handy editing shortcuts to speed up your modeling process. Control-Z, undo your last action. Control plus Y, redo what you just undid. Control plus A, select all objects in your model. Press the spacebar to select or deselect tools. Delete, erase the selected object instantly. Press S for the Scale tool to resize objects, either proportionally or freely. Press B for the Paint Bucket tool, which lets you apply colors or materials to surfaces. Section 4, Measurement and Guides. To adjust your perspective and understand measurements or view angles, try these helpful shortcuts. Press T for the Tape Measure tool. Use it to measure distances or create guidelines for accurate modeling. Use the Protractor tool to measure angles or create angled guidelines with precision. Select dimensions to add measurement labels directly in your model. Perfect for clear, detailed designs. Use the Axes tool to adjust your drawing axes for better alignment and precise geometry. Press Q for the Rotate tool, which lets you rotate objects around a specific point with accuracy. These tools are especially useful for architectural and furniture design, where precision and alignment are key to a professional result. Mastering these measurement and guide tools will help you create clean, accurate, and realistic models. And that's it. Now you know the basic SketchUp commands and shortcuts to help you model faster and smarter. Up next, I'll be creating 2D shapes: lines, rectangles, circles, arcs, and polygons. Make sure to check the description below for the full SketchUp playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder, for more step-by-step construction projects. Your feedback means a lot, so feel free to share your questions, tips, or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.